Thank you for the follow, Razak. My first gifter for the week. Wow, Mr. Abdul Razak. Thank you so much. Thank you for the roses. My first gifter for the week. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you. I'm grateful. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning to all of us. Thank you, Mr. Razak, once more. I'm grateful. Chef B, good morning. Wow, today is a beautiful. In fact, my week has started beautifully already. I'm just starting and he's coming with gifts this morning. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. God bless you. Chef B, thank you. Thank you for the roses. Thank you. God bless you all. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you here. Thank you, everyone. Good morning once more, everyone. Happy New Week. Happy New Week. Blessings upon blessings this week, I pray. May our destiny help us not be far away from us this week. Thank you to all my gifters this week. Commander, good morning. You're welcome. It's morning at my end. So irrespective of your geographical location, I greet every one of you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You're all welcome. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Keep tapping. Thank you to all my gifters this morning. It has made my spirit high. The week is starting with gifts from well wishers. Thank you, everyone. So we are going to be starting. I want to solve as much questions as possible today. To all my streamers on YouTube, I greet you all this morning. Good morning, everyone. So we're going to be starting. We're starting almost immediately. Happy New Week as you're joining us. Happy New Week, everyone. I wish us all a blessed week. May God blessings upon blessings this week. To those that are selling, I wish us all more customers. To those that are teaching, I wish us more strength to carry on. To those that are working in the offices, may God bless this our week. Give us that knowledge, wisdom, and understanding to carry out all our activity. No, I'm not in Australia. Tutor Jerry, good morning, sir. Good morning. Happy New Week, sir. Victoria, good morning. You're welcome to my live session. Now, I'm not in Australia. Sad Ali, I'm in Nigeria. Africa, Nigeria. So we're going to solve questions under arithmetic and geometric progression today. Please, if my board and please let me know if my video and my audio is clear. Please let me know in the comments. So today we're going to solve questions under arithmetic and geometric progression. Jam-packed questions, right? Today is what? Today is 25, right? As I'm not a salary earner, I don't even know how the date is going. Today is 25. Today is Monday, I guess. Morning session. Happy New Week, everyone. Wishing us all blessings this week. Today is 26. Wow. I don't even know how dates they go. I just noticed today on Monday. Only salary earners know what the date is. We that are not collecting salary. Mr. Marcus, thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Hey, I write 2025. If I say my brain never boot finish, maybe I need to go back to sleep. Maybe I need to go back to sleep, but my brain never boot finish this morning. Sorry about that. So thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Joshua, don't vex, abeg. Today na 26. Okay, everyone, so we're going to be starting soon. Your day, my day never starts. Yes, I didn't sleep early yesterday, so I wanted to postpone the live, but no, I know that some people are actually waiting for me. If I don't come live, some people usually come to my DM to ask, Madam, are you not coming today? So I have this feeling like there's some people who are actually genuinely waiting for me. So let me just call. So good morning once more, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, irrespective of your geographical location. I welcome you all to today's live session. So we're going to be starting almost immediately. We are solving questions today under AP and GP. So we are solving questions under AP and GP. Even though I didn't ask for the audience opinion in the last class on what we should do this morning, but I just decided to just pick the topic. Why have I not seen any question yet? Okay, I've seen one. Oh, this is very beautiful. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. To all my gifters, thank you all, thank you all, thank you. Keep tapping so we can have more audience. So this is going to be 3 hours live session. We started at 9 a.m. We're going to end at 12 p.m. All things being equal. You see why planning ahead is very good. Me, I did not plan for today's class. I didn't even. So now I'm looking for questions. Or should I change it to another one? I can't find questions on AP and GP yet. Guys, please just hold on. We are starting soon. We are starting. I'm just looking for questions under AP and GP. If I can't find anyone, but I would find. I know definitely. Okay, I've seen one. I've seen one. Because I know these are questions that are always repeated question 30. Okay. Please hope my handwriting is not too small. Please let me know. This new marker is not making my handwriting look good. I don't know why. Progression. Find M and P. So as usual, let me give us the options. Here we have 4 options. 1 and 10, 2 and 10, 3 and 13, 4 and 16. So guys, let's start. The question says, if minus 8m and 19 are arithmetic progression, find the value of m and n. So let's do this together in 60 seconds. Welcome everyone. Stylist, good morning. Well, I'm just coming to the comment section. Good morning, Divine. You're welcome. Alright, let's solve this in 60 seconds, please. Okay. So Stanley, I'm just seeing your comments. You know, we do anything calculus is under further maths. I take it to further maths. That will be on Tuesday, tomorrow night. Jennifer, thank you for sharing the live. Guys, please hope my video is clear. Please let me know in the comments. Hope the video is clear. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen so we can have more audience. Okay, it's clear. All right. Okay, let's solve. Let's solve, guys. Please, let's solve. There was something I did in the last class that my board, the comment section was not. Okay, maybe it's the way I tilted the phone. The comment section was not blocking the board in the last class at all. It was not blocking it. Let me set it that way. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. Let's solve, let's solve. We have 30 seconds more. 30 seconds more. If minus 8, m, and 19 are arithmetic progression, find the value of m and n. Today I'm going to do most of the solving. Miss Glory, my location is Nigeria. All right, it's clear. Thank you. Thank you. Let's solve, please. We have plenty questions to solve this morning. If this is your first time, please kindly give me a follow, please. If minus 8, m, n, 19 are in AP, find the value of m and n. I've not gotten any answer yet in the comments. Tintech, I'm in Kaduna State. I'm based in the northern part of Nigeria, Kaduna State. Okay, somebody has m equal to 1, n equals to 10. Okay, let's get more answers, please. Okay, Jennifer, go on. Let's get more answers, please. Let's get more answers. Okay, go on, Jennifer, go on. Guys, keep tapping on your screen so we have more audience, please. Keep tapping. Do I have anyone that wants to come up to help us with this, or should I solve it? M is 1, N is 10. Okay. Who wants to come up, or should I solve this? Who wants to come up, or who wants to explain to us in the comment section? You know how I do it here. I bring audience up to those that want to contribute. Okay. Deja vu, you want to help us? Okay. Somebody wants to help us. So let me. Deja vu, you can send in a request. Deja vu, you can send in a request. They have sent you an invite, so you can accept it. Yes, I will solve it. To those that always come to my life, they know how I do it. I give audience the chance to come and explain. Deja vu, good morning. Good morning. Hope you had a good night.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, clearly I can.
So let's solve it.
All right.
So from A plus.
Yeah, go on.
A plus 3D
Okay.
equals 19.
Okay. So how
And our
did you...
A is minus 8.
Okay, please can you tell us how you came across about A plus 3D equals 19? So the others
Is
will know.
the normal formula for calculating arithmetic progression.
Okay, what's the formula?
That is A plus.
A plus.
I can't really remember, but I know.
Okay.
I can't remember, but I know what I'm trying to say.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, Mr. Stanley, please just hold on. Please just hold on. Okay, go on, sir. Go on, Deja vu.
So if you understand what I'm trying to say, but
no, just go on.
I did arithmetic progression, so I just know the formula of it.
Okay, okay, just go on.
I know how to go about it.
Okay, just go on.
So you can help us write the formula so I can remember too.
Me too, I can't remember. Me too, I can't remember. You are the tutor. That's why I say you should come up. So now you are the tutor. Me, I'm also.
Someone said A plus N minus 1D.
Okay. Okay. A plus open bracket M minus 1 times D. Right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
So if the first time is minus 8, which is A.
Okay. Okay. Am I substituting?
Then we have. Yeah, we have minus 8.
Okay.
Plus.
Okay.
3D.
That is 3. That means, is that supposed to be 3 minus 1? Or how did you get? How is
No,
it?
that is 4. Because we are giving the fourth term.
Okay.
That is 4 minus 1.
Okay, so that means what we are looking for here is T4. Is that what you mean?
Yes.
So you mean the
formula? No, we are looking for D. We are looking for D.
Okay, so what you mean?
We are looking for the difference.
Alright, sir. So what you mean is that the formula for AP is Tn is equal to A plus M minus 1 times D, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now we have the
So that means T4 should be 19.
Okay, so the fourth term here is equal, so this becomes 19 is equal to, okay.
Because
Okay, let's finish up with this. You said times D,
okay.
right? Okay, equal to 19.
Yeah, 19.
Okay, okay, so the T4 here is the 19. This is equal to,
Yeah, equals to
minus 8 plus 3D.
plus 3D.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
So
this
if the
is,
minus 8 goes to the other side, we have 19 plus 8
okay,
equals to 3D.
alright.
So we have that is 27
27 equals to 3D.
3D.
Alright.
So our D is 27 over 3, which is 9. That is the difference.
Okay, so dividing both sides by 3, the value for D gives us 27 divided by 3, which is 9.
Yes.
Alright.
So if you put it back to the progression,
alright,
then if the difference is 9, definitely the difference between minus 8 and M should be 9. That is minus 8 plus 9, which is 1. So M is 1.
Okay, so now, okay, what are you trying to tell me to do next?
So the thing is, if you look at it, minus 8 is the first term.
Okay. And the second term is M.
And the second term is M.
Okay.
So if you look at the difference is D. And we already have D. So the difference between minus 8 and M should be D.
Okay, so you mean minus 8 minus M is equal to D. Is this what it means?
No, let me try to. I don't want to go back to the formula and go to something that is very long. We already know that between that minus 8 and M, there's a D. That's the difference between the first progression, and the second progression.
Okay. Okay.
So that is minus 8 plus 9.
Okay. So minus 8 plus 9 will give us the value for M.
Give us. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so that is 1.
So then another, if we already have M.
Okay.
So that means we're going to add the difference to M again to get the next progression.
Alright. So now that M is 1, so what do we do to get the next one?
That is another 9, which is D plus another D. That is 1 plus M.
Okay, so to get N now,
1
that becomes 1 plus 9?
Plus 9, yeah, to make it 10.
Okay, to make it 10.
So if you look at it that way too, from N to 19, that is another 10 plus the difference, which is 9.
Okay,
that is
so
to make it 19.
Okay, so what you mean basically is what we do first is to get the common difference. Then the common difference, you keep adding 9 to each value, right? As this one is minus 8, you add 9 to it. The 9, whatever value you have, give us the next answer. The next answer you add another 9 to it. Whatever value you have, you add another 9. Like this 10 now, if you add the difference of 9, it gives us this fourth term, right?
Exactly.
Okay. That's clear. I think I learned. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for your contribution. So let me go to the comment section. Okay guys, so do we understand what Deja Vu explained? Thank you Deja Vu once more. So guys, do we understand what has been solved on the board? So this is how basically the easiest way on how to solve this. But there are other methods I would have used if this was to be an essay question. Some people will solve this and to take them to having two simultaneous equations. They'll solve simultaneously and get the correct final answer. But this is JAM. So we're looking for the shortcut method on how to solve every question given. The shortcut method, and for this particular question, this is the shortcut method you can use to solve this. No, it's JAM. The time will not be enough. Yes, so that's why I said for the purpose of JAM, this is the best way and the shortcut method on how to go about this question. Victor, you say you don't understand. What is it you don't understand? You have to be specific, please. Let us know the points where you do not understand for clarity purpose. Let us know where you do not understand. Okay, Mr. Marcos. So I should pick you. Okay, let me accept Stanley and Mr. Marcos.
Good morning, everyone.
Hello, Mr. Marcos. Good morning. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. So, chip in something quick.
All right, sir.
I think this this is actually the working for theory. For jam purposes,
Okay.
just fix the answers there, fix M there, fix N there, and see if it follows an AP form, okay?
Okay.
So just fix the answers in there without working, okay? So just pick the first one, put M in place, N in the place, in that order, and you
Okay.
realize if it works.
Okay, so you
So
mean,
first of all, yes,
yeah,
let's
go on,
pick
sir.
the first one. Let's pick the first one. So please repeat the minus 8. Write the negative 8.
Okay.
And let's take M to be 1.
Okay, now we want to test. We want to test the options. Okay, M will be 1,
N is 10.
N is 10, and the last time 19.
Yeah, then the 19. Then check if it has the same common difference.
Okay.
And it's easier than you go remembering formulas.
Okay. Okay, like this now for the common difference, this would be minus 8. What do we do here, Mr. Marcos, then?
1 minus minus 8.
1 minus minus
Get
8.
the common difference.
Yes. So this will give me 9. So this 10 minus 1.
Yes, 10 minus 1.
9.
Yeah.
19 minus 10. 9. Okay.
Yeah.
So this already
So let's assume
shows. Okay.
let's assume that answer was even the last.
Uh-huh.
Go very fast and get your answer without remembering formulas.
Yeah, okay. So if you want to test for the second option, which is 2 and 10, that means this is going to be okay,
Minus
now
8.
we are going to replace this with 2 and 10. That if you want to test, right? Guys, hope you're seeing the shortcut method. So this is going to be 2 minus minus 8. And that will give us what? 10. And if you want to check for the next one, it will be 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 will give us 8. So this already shows that the common difference is not uniform, right? 19 minus 10 equal to 9. So the common difference is definitely not uniform. So option B is not even an option. It's not correct. Let's test for 3 and 13, right, Mr. Marcos? So far, on point.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, so if you want to test for the option, what do they call it, the option C? So now this becomes 3. 3 minus minus 8 here will give us 11. So let's test for the next one. 13 minus 3. This will give us 10. 3 minus minus 8 is what? Okay, minus 5, right?
11.
Oh, sorry, 11.
11.
Yes, 3 plus 8, 11. Now if I want to test for the next one, it will be 13 minus 3, which will give me 10. And if I want to test for the last one, it will be 19 minus 13, which will give me 6. So this is not an option because the common difference has to be uniform. So that's not an option. So the same thing applies. So guys, try this on your own. Try using the last option, 4 and 16, and see if you come up with the same common difference. Thank you, Mr. Marcos. That was really helpful. Thank you, sir. We are grateful. Thank you for your contribution. So guys, please stick here. Hope you have seen the shortcut method on how to solve a problem of this nature in jam situation. In jam situation, please. We are here to know how to tackle questions in jam, right? How to tackle questions in jam using shortcut method. So let's try another one. Before then, please, if you understand what we have done, please kindly type understood in the comment section so we can move on to the next one. If you understand, kindly type understood so we can move on to the next one. Okay, so I'll be cleaning the board now. All right. So, Mr. Marcos, thank you once more. Everyone here understands what you have explained. Hope you understand both the first method and the second method. So let's solve another one. So the next question here, this is a question we just solved is on AP, right? So the next question is GP. So the next one says the sum of the first two terms of a geometric progression, okay, of a geometric series instead, of a geometric series. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen, don't forget, so we can have more audience. is X. Please, JAMB registration has started though, for those who do not know or who keep asking from time to time. JAMB registration has started. You can get your e-pin at the cafe. Please, the earlier you register, the better, so you can get a center close to where you stay. JAMB registration is already ongoing. So the question we have, this second question here is under geometric progression, we are required to find the value of the common ratio. So I'm going to give us the options. We have 4 options here. So let's solve, guys, in 60 seconds and drop our answer in the comment section. The first option is x over y. The second one is y over x. The third one, x over y to the power of 1 over n minus 2. The last option is y over x to the power of 1 over n minus 2. Okay, guys, let's do this. The camera setting is not in the best. Okay, it's not in the best. Should I use the best? Should I use the back camera? Are you trying to say it's not clear or it's far? It's far. Okay. Okay, let me reset. Let me reset this. Is not really visible. Okay, maybe I should use my back camera. Or is it my handwriting that is small? Should I use the back camera? Or is it my handwriting that is small? Let me see how best I can do this. Okay, my writing is small. It's too close. Okay. It's too close. It's good now. Okay. It's okay, alright. Okay. So let's continue. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. The sum of the first 2 terms of a GP of a geometric series is x, and the sum of the last 2 terms is y. If there are n terms in all, then the common ratio is. So we're looking for the common ratio. Let's find the common ratio. All right, let's do this in 60 seconds. Let's do this in 60 seconds. Please, we have 30 seconds more. I want to use my back camera. Sorry, please. The Javu says option D, option A, option D, okay. I need more answers. Option D. Okay, so we have enough answers already. So anyone wants to come up to help us with this, or should I solve this? Is there anyone who would want to come up, or should I do it? The sum of the first two terms of a geometric series is x. Okay, I'll solve it. And the sum of the last two terms is y. There are n terms in all. Then the common ratio is what we are looking for. Okay. So before I start solving, can anyone in the comment section tell me what is the formula I'm to use to solve this problem? What's the formula I'm to use? Any idea? There's a notation we have. Yes, Victor, I'll solve it. Yes, can anyone help me? Friday, you're welcome. Anyone? AR raised to power of n minus 1. Okay, Hozi, thank you. Hozi Q, thank you. Okay. AR raised to power of n minus 1. Okay, is that the only formula I'm to use to solve this problem? No, I'm not in PH, I'm in Kaduna State. AR raised to the power of n minus 1, yes? Hozi, is that all? I want the class to be interactive. I want it to be interactive. Guys, please, I'm waiting. I'm using my back camera, so I just want before leaving the back camera, I want interactions from the audience. That's what makes the class more lively and fun. Let's share ideas together. Somebody has said I should use the formula of AR raised to the power of n minus 1. The sum of the first two terms of a GP. It's like I'm going to turn my camera back to the front camera. I'm going to turn my camera, please. So that it has to be interactive. Guys, I'm waiting now. You guys are not talking. I'm turning back to my front camera. Sorry, I want to turn back to my front camera. Okay. Okay. All right. Sn is equals to n over 2. Okay. Every idea is welcome. We are here to share ideas. See, the sum means addition. The sum of the first two terms of a geometric series is equals to x. The sum of the first two. This is what the first term, I will say the first term, sum means addition. The first term, I'm going to call it A. The sum of the first two terms. So the second term is going to be what? Who will tell me if the first term, the sum of the first two terms, that is the first term, is equal to A? Who will tell me what will be the value, what to be the second term? Just tell me in the comment section. Let's share ideas together. What will be the second term? Guys, please, let's respond. Even if you're not correct, at least let's make it interactive. Roy B, good. Robbie says AR, good. Thank you. Not Kelly, no, it's not A minus 1. If the first term is A for a geometric series, the second term will be AR. Okay, thank you, Roy B. So the sum, the first term is AR. So this is A plus AR is equal to what? They say it is what? X. So we equate to X. I can say to call this equation 1, and let's continue. No problem. And it says the sum of the last two terms. The last two terms will be the third term and the what? And the fourth term. So the first term is A, the second term is AR. Who will tell me what will be the third term? You see, when we make the class interactive this way and we are taking it step by step, it makes it what? it makes it, we tend to understand better. From my experience in teaching students, in teaching for so long now, this is the best way of teaching, instead of me just pouring it out. Thank you. Yes, just bring it up, even if you are not correct. If the first term is A, the second term is AR, what will be the third term? I'm in the comments. I don't know why comments are not dropping immediately, or maybe it's my network. I'm waiting. Why are my comments not dropping? My comments, I can't see my comments here. Oh, it's not dropping. Oh, it's just telling me I have new message, but I can't read them. I will need help. Let me check my settings. Sorry guys, I can't see my comments. Can't see my comments. I don't know why. Can't see my comments. I can see that I have notifications of comment, but I don't know why my comments are not coming up. Please guys, can you read my comment section? Please, can you read my comment section? Please let me know. I don't know, maybe it's network that is causing it. Mr. Marcos, please, can you see my comment section?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know why. I can't.
Some are saying yes.
Okay. I don't know. It's telling me, maybe it's my network. I don't know. But I can see that I have notification from my comment, but I can't read them. I can only see the previous ones. Mr. Marcos, please, can you help me? Please, I will need your assistance. Maybe after this question, maybe I have to log out and rejoin again. But let me just finish with this one. Let me see. Guys, please, let me just pause for some few minutes. Let me check my settings, but I'm still here. Please, let me just check out my settings. I don't know why I can't see it. Let me just keep solving. I can't read my comment section. Let me just keep solving. So the third term, I can say it's AR to the power of n minus 2. Fourth term will be AR to the power of n minus 1. I still can't read this thing. I don't know, maybe after this question I might log out, then rejoin. So now, my equation 2 will not be what? It says the sum of the third and the fourth. So this will be what? AR to the power of n minus 2 plus AR to the power of n minus 1. They say is equal to the last two terms, which is equal to y. So this is equal to y. I call this equation 2. No comments are still coming in, but I can't view them. Okay. Let me just accept request. Maybe to make it easier. I can see Stanley here. See, it's telling me I have 25 new messages, but I cannot read them. Hello, Stanley. Mr. Stanley, good morning. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Sorry, I don't know what is happening. No, I can't read comment at all. Now it's telling me I have 30. I can see notifications that I have 31 new messages, but I can't see the messages dropping. Do you want to help us with this?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Do you want to use my method or you have your own method?
I wanted to continue from where you stopped.
Okay. So but before then, can I know what did you get your final answer?
Yes.
Okay. Which of the option did you get as the answer?
Option D.
Option D. Y over X. Okay. All right. It's good. All right. Let's continue.
Okay. So from equation 1, I'm going to factor out A to have A into 1 plus R equal to X.
Okay. From equation 1, we take the common factor here, which is A. Factorize A from here, we have 1. Factorize A from AR, we have R equal to X, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you can go on. You can go on, Mr. Stanley. Are we calling this?
I'll do the same thing.
Okay.
I'll do the same thing to equation 2.
Okay, to equation 2. What do we factor out from equation 2?
Yes. I factor out AR power n minus 2.
AR power n minus 2.
Into 1 plus R.
Okay. If you factor out AR to the power of n minus 2 from the first time, we have 1 plus AR to the power of n minus 2. Okay, factor this from here. What do you have left?
R.
R. Okay.
Yes.
AR to the power
Equal
of
to Y.
equal to Y. Okay. Can we call this equation 3 and 4?
Yes.
Okay. So what do we do next?
I will now take equation 4 divided by equation 3.
Okay. We want to divide equation 4 by 3. So equation 4, which is AR to the power of n minus 2, 1 plus R equal to Y, over equation 3, which is A open brackets 1 plus R, right, over X.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
See, now it's telling me to
Then my assumption here is that
Mm-hmm.
A is different from 0, so A can cancel.
Okay, you assume that what?
Also assuming that 1 plus R is different from 0, so it can cancel.
Okay, so you are cancelling out the A.
Yes.
Okay. So if we cancel out A, we are going to be left with R to the power of n minus.
Cancel 1 plus R.
Okay, we also cancel out the 1 plus R.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll be left with R to the power of n minus 2. Is that what we have?
Yes.
Equals to Y.
Equal to Y over X.
Okay. Equal to Y over X. Alright. Go on.
I'll take 1 over n minus 2 of both sides. That's to eliminate n minus 2 from R.
Are you multiplying both sides by power of n minus 2? Or what?
No, the law indices, I'll take R to the n minus 2 all times 1 over n minus 2. All
Okay.
to the power 1 over n minus 2.
Okay, this becomes n minus 2, then R to the power of what?
No, I'll take R. Let's write as it is. R to the n minus 2.
You take R to the n minus 2.
Yes. Then now put a bracket. Power 1 over n minus 2.
So I should just put R to the power of n minus 2 in a bracket. Is this what you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Power 1. Power
Yes.
1 over 1. Power 1 over n minus 2.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, equal to.
Equal to the Y over X.
Y over X.
A quick one.
Okay.
Miss Aisha, I'll run quickly. Before you go, okay,
Okay.
and I will share my view on this.
All right. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
sorry.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Marcos.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Go on.
Okay, put in bracket.
In
Put it in
bracket.
bracket.
What are you putting in brackets?
Y over x.
The y over x. Okay.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell the audience?
1 over
Is this the power of minus 2? Is that what you mean?
no, to the power of 1 over n minus 2. What we did in the other side.
Okay, to
The
the
same
power of
thing.
1 over n minus 2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now what you are trying to tell
Yes.
the audience is, sorry about that. What you are trying to tell the audience is you are multiplying both sides by the power of the inverse. Or is it by the inverse of the power?
Exactly.
Inverse of the power, okay. Okay, so what do we do here? So does that mean that this will cancel out? Mr. Stanley. Mr. Stanley, are you there?
N minus 2.
They cancel out, right?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go on.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
this
cancel out.
means you are left with r.
Yes, and you
R,
get the answer directly.
okay, r equals to y over x to the power of 1 over n minus 2. This is the answer you have, right? Which is option D.
Yes.
Okay. Now I have 47
Exactly.
messages. My messages are now back. I cannot read them. I think it's the network. Okay. Okay, Mr. Stanley has disconnected. Mr. Stanley, thank you so much. Thank you. Stylist said he doesn't understand. Okay. Do we understand what Mr. Marcos? No, not Mr. Stanley has explained. If you understand what Mr. Stanley explained here, can you let me know in the comment section? Thank you, Mr. Stanley, once more for your contribution. If you understand what Mr. Stanley has explained from the beginning to the end of the solution, if you understand, kindly type understood in the comments. If you're not clear at any point, kindly let us know the point where it's not clear. Because Mr. Marcos wants to chip in one or two things before we move on to Mr. Marcos, because he has one or two things to say. Should I move on to Mr. Marcos? Should I move on to Mr. Marcos? We should explain again. Stanley, they say you should come and explain again. Are you coming up? Should I be the one to explain, or the other tutor should explain? Because anyone that comes out to explain becomes the tutor. Okay. So guys, look at this. The question says, guys, to the best of my own knowledge, this is how much I understand this. The sum means addition. This is the addition. For a geometric series, the first term is, I call the first term is A. The second term is AR. The third term will be AR raised to the power of n minus 2. The fourth term will be AR to the power of n minus 1. That is in this case. So now it says the first two terms. The first two terms means the first term and the second terms. If you sum them together, meaning if you add this and this, it will give you x. This is it. The x is from the question. In case you don't know how we got the x is from the question. And it says the sum of the last two terms. The last two means the third and the fourth. And the third term is this. This is the fourth term. We are summing them together, means we are adding them together. Is equal to y. The y is from the question as well. Now it says that if there are n terms, thank you for the roses. If there are n terms in all, we are asked to find the common ratio. That means the number of terms is n, right? We are looking for the common ratio r. So r is the known in this case. So what did we do? We just added equation 1. Equation 1, we already have it. If you look at equation 1, the first term and the second term have a common difference. So what we did there is that we took the common factor. The common factor here, not common difference, sorry, the common factor. The common factor is a. Factorize a from a, you have 1. Factorize a from a to the power ar, you have r. This is equal to x. That's how we came about equation 3. Now, from equation 2, we got equation 4. From equation 1, we got equation 3. Now look at this. AR to the power of n minus 2. When you factorize, if you look at the first term and the second term here, what is common between these two? The first term and the second term is AR to the power of n minus 2. Factorize AR to the power of n minus 2. From AR to the power of n minus 2, you have 1. Factorize a to the power of n minus 2 from a to the power of n minus 3 will be left with what? We just r. That's how we have equation 4. So what did we do? We just divided equation 4 by equation 3. That's why I had to write it out step by step. Equation 4, which is a to the power of n minus 2, 1 plus r, you divide it by t. What we did, we took the left-hand side. You first take the values of the left-hand side, you divide. Then move on to the right-hand side, which is y over what? Over x. Left-hand side, you divide them. The right-hand side, you also divide them. Simplifying here, you can see that what is common, both at the numerator and denominator, is a. That's why the a cancels, they cancel out. Then we have 1 plus r, 1 plus r, they also cancel out, right? What are we left with? We are left with r to the power of n minus 2 is equal to what? Y over x. Now, our concern is to make r the subject, what we are looking for is r. So you have this equation now. You want to make r the subject of formula. What do? And the left-hand side has a power of n minus 2. If you want to make r now to stand on its own without having any power, without carrying any power, we are going to take the inverse of the power. If you have r, let's say if you have a to the power of x, what will be the inverse of this power? It's going to be what? A to the power of what? 1 over x. That's what we mean by inverse. So this is n minus 2. The inverse of n minus 2 is 1 over n minus 2. You multiply it to whatever you do to the right-hand side. You do the same thing to the left-hand side. So multiply the inverse of the power to both sides. If you do that on the left-hand side, you see that the n minus 2 will cancel out. Because this one is a denominator, this is a numerator, so it's possible for them to cancel out. Then coming to the right-hand side, you can see there's nothing we can cancel out here, right? So the power still remains. But on the left-hand side, where you have the r, now the r is standing on its own, and that is the intention, to make r stand on its own. So now this becomes r is equals to y over x to the power of what? 1 over n minus 2. From this point, there's no way you can simplify this further. You've simplified this now to the lowest term. So if you look at the options given, option D is the correct answer. So it's just so easy. Thank you for the rose, Abdullah. Thank you for the gift. Thank you, everyone. Fatiba, thank you. Thank you for the gifts. So guys, hope it's clearer now. Hope you understand now. Hope it's clearer. Any other question before we move on to the next one? I think Mr. Marcos has disconnected. Morani KG, hope it's clear, right? This is just a word problem. So to those that want to take a screenshot, please can you take the screenshot before I clean the board? If you have any question, please drop your question in the comment before we move on to the next one. Any question, please? We are moving on to the next one, so I'll be cleaning the board now. Or does anyone have any shortcut method? Because we are here to share knowledge. Does anyone have any shortcut method we can use to solve this problem? Equation 4. Okay, stylist, what happened to equation 4? Stylist, please be specific about your question. So I'm moving on to the next one now. Equation 4. Stylist, please be specific about it, or you can send me a DM. Just take my contact on my bio, send me a DM. I'll clarify you, okay? Because we have a lot of questions to solve, so we can move on. Stylist, just send me a DM. Send me a DM after the live, yeah? I'll clarify you. So thank you all once more. for your contributions. So let's go on to the next one. Let's move on to question 3. So this is a question under AP. So it says find the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP. Log A squared, log A to the power of 3. So let me drop the options. Let's try this in 60 seconds, guys. So let's try this question in 60 seconds. So we have 4 options. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Keep tapping, please. Don't forget. Guys, give us a follow if this is your first time coming across this page. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP. Log A to the power of 2 and log A to the power of 3. So solve and drop your answer in the comments. So let me give us a hint. Let me give us a hint on how to solve this problem. I'll just give us a simple hint. The hint will help. So we are going to use the sum of nth term of an AP. The formula is Sn is equal to, that is n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus m minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, which is d. So let's use this. This is a hint to solve this question. I think this will help. Let's do this. We have 30 seconds more. 30 seconds more. Use the hint. Sum of n sum of AP. Guys, I'm waiting. First, find the common difference. This question is similar to the first question we solved. So what you're going to do first is find the common difference. Find the common difference. Okay, let's do this together. Find the common difference and tell me your answer in the comments. What's the common difference? Anyone who has the common difference? If you start with the common difference, you get it. Okay, Morani KG, let me help us with this. See. Let's start with the first one, log A. Log A still remains log A, right? It doesn't change. Now, log A to the power of 2 can also be written as what? 2 log A, right? Then log A to the power of 3 can also be written as what? Tell me in the comments. If log A to the power of 2 is 2 log A, what is log A to the power of 3? Okay, D. Okay, some people have the answer already. Tell me, what is log a to the power of 3? Difference is log a. Okay, the difference is log a. Okay, good. This is 3 log a, right? So from here now we can get the difference. So what do we need to get the difference? It's going to be what? 2 log a minus log a. 2 log a minus log a is equal to what? Log a. Now, we can also check between the third term and the second term. 3 log a minus 2 log a is equal to what? It's still log a. So now we agree that log a is the common difference, right? So now that we've gotten the common difference, okay, now that we have the common difference, what can we do now? Now let's go to the formula I gave to us, the sum of n sum of AP. Sn is n over 2, open bracket 2a plus n minus 1 times z. Now substitute and get your s. What are we looking for? What is the value for n in this case? It says the sum of the first 20. So that means the value of n is equal to what? Equal to 20. Substitute now. I'm almost done solving this. Okay, deja vu, we can use your method. Okay, let's finish with this and see. So what is the value for a? A stands for the what? The first term. And what is the first term? The first term is log a, right? So we have n, we have the value for a, we have the common difference. Just substitute. So let's do it together. Let's substitute. So this becomes what? S20 is equal to 20 divided by 2, open bracket, 2 times a, which is log a. So this is 2 log a plus n, that is 20 minus 1 times the common difference, which is log a. So this is equal to 20 divided by 2 is 10, open bracket, 2 log a plus 20 minus 1 is 19, right? 19 log a. So this is equal to 10, open bracket, 2 log a plus 19 log a will give us what? Will give us 21 log a. 10 times 21 is what? 10 times 21 is what? 210 log a. And 210 log a can also be written as what? Can also be written as what? A log. So it's going to look like what? It's going to just look like what we have here, because we have all of this to the power. Okay, understand what it means? So this becomes a log what? A log to the power of what? Did I write it well? Hey, let's see on the right. Sorry, this is log a, the log a, then this 210 becomes the power of a. So this is log a to the power of what? 210. So which option? So option D is the correct answer. It's just very simple. This is too simple. The question is very easy. Please hope you understand. If you understand, if you don't understand, let me know so that I'll explain again. Even though I don't wish to explain again. Kindly type understood in the comment section if you understand what we just did. Kindly type understood in the comment section. Mustafa, what's your question? Mustafa, I said you don't understand. What is your question? Please be specific, so that we can move on to the next one. Today I'm having sore throat. So the next question is on GP. I want to clean the board. I should throw more light where? You have to be specific. I can't start from the beginning, so you have to tell me where you don't understand. This pack. Okay. Yes, I do this every day. 9 a.m. in the morning, 9 p.m. at night. We start 9 a.m. in the morning till 12 p.m. Then we come back 9 p.m. again. At night is 9 to 11. In the morning is 9 to 12. West African time. So we're going to question 4. Or is it question 5? I can't remember. This is on GP. Okay, so let me give us the options. We are looking for the sum of the first 18 terms of the progression. Do I need to give option? Do I need to give option? I want us to try and solve it even without the option. Alright, let's solve this. Should I drop the option or we can try it? Ola Flows, how are you? I should not give option, right? Ola Flows, you are very scarce these days, oh. Hope you're fine. Good morning, you're welcome. I always ask of you every time I come live. I've not seen you for some days. Okay, let me give options. Okay, so these are the 4 options we have. Guys, let's do this. Hey, yeah, sorry, Ola. Hope you feel better. Hope you're better now, right? Sorry. Nice having you back. We missed all your shortcut, though. We missed all your shortcut these days. Even though there was a man that was helping us out with some shortcuts, but we missed yours. Guys, let's do this. Let's do this. So let's do this. 30 seconds more. Let's do this to all my streamers on YouTube. If you have any question, can you drop your question in the comment, please? Drop your question. If you have your answer, drop your answer. Option D. Okay. Almost everyone is having option D. So what's the formula we're going to use? It's too easy, right? Okay. So we're going to use the formula n term of GP, right? Which is Sn is equal to A open brackets R power of n minus 1 all over R minus 1. Hope I got this correctly. Why am I writing my R like this? Sn is equal to A to the power of R. Sn is equal to A open bracket R to the power of n minus 1 over R minus 1. Is it correct? Okay, stylist, thank you. So what we are looking for is what? So what is our first term? What is the value of n? N here is equal to 18, right? And A is equal to what? A is 3. What is the value for R? What is the common ratio? R is equal to 2. Okay. Okay, r equals to 2. Okay, that's correct. That is 3 divided by, so for those that might not know how we got the 2, 6, 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. 12 divided by 6 will still give us 2. See the common ratio. So let's substitute. This becomes n is equal to a open bracket r 2 to the power of 18 minus 1 all over 18 minus 1. Am I correct? A 2 minus 1, no. So this is equal to a, oh, I didn't even substitute for a, which is 3. So this becomes 3 open brackets 2 to the power of 18 minus 1 over 1. So this remains the same now. This question is a 5 seconds question. 5 seconds, you've got your answer. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. So we have S18 is equal to 3 open bracket 2 to the power of 18 minus 1. 18 to the power of 18 minus 1, option D. So we just follow how the option is. So option D is the answer. So all those that got it, well done, good job. Any question? Thank you, Stylis. Any question before we move on to the next one? You see, there are some questions in Jamba. 10 seconds you get the answer, but there are some questions that we know that, okay, 60 seconds might not even be enough. But questions like this will not cover up for the time. This one, once you just know the formula, substitute, shift, and gamma. Any question before we move on? Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. Let me get more questions. If you have any question, drop your question in the comments based on this question we just saw before we move on to the next one. Guys, keep tapping so we can have more audience. Okay, so let's go to the next one. I think we are all clear, right? Let me read the comments. Oh, Zarati from the Gambia. Thank you. Zarati, please give me a follow. Don't forget, and please help me repost this live so that more audience from the Gambia can see this live, because the Gambia, Nigeria, Ghana, and I think Sierra Leone, is it Sierra Leone? We all write, our syllables are almost the same. Our syllables are almost the same, right? Okay, Maradikeji says the formula you use is different. Okay. Okay, Stanley has answered. Thank you, Stanley, for answering. Thank you. Zarati, thank you for reposting. Aniki, you say you are late. Turn on your notification so you'll be notified anytime I'm live. So this question is under GP. I don't want to finish. The questions on that progression are very, very short questions. Short, simple, straightforward. 27, 9, 3. So option A we have 27 to the power, open bracket 1 over 3 to the power of n minus 1. Option B is 3 to the power of n plus 2. Option C, we have 27 plus 18, open bracket n minus 1. Option D is 27 plus 6, open bracket n minus 1. Okay guys, let's solve this together. Abdul, thank you for the donuts. Thank you, God bless you. Thank you. Okay, Zarati, you say your WhatsApp jam, the private maths paper is on Saturday. Can you send me a DM and send me your past questions? Huh? You can send me your past questions. You can come to Zarati, just send me a DM. Check my bio. You see my WhatsApp contacts there. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's see if you can solve past questions here or live. Then you can invite your friends over there to join my live. Then I'll teach you guys. We can solve past questions. Zarasi, send me a DM on WhatsApp. Okay, hey. Who wants to come up and help us with this? I want to rest more. I want somebody to come up and help us explain. Anyone? Who will come up? I want shortcut though. Please let me know in the comment section if you want to come up so I can send you an invite. Who want to come up? Who want to come up? Everybody is having A as the answer. So who wants to come and help us explain this? Nobody from the comment section? Guys, keep tapping on your screen so I can have 50k likes before the end of the live at 12 p.m. Okay. Okay, let me check. Let me check. The first person I will see here will accept. Okay. I can see. Okay, I've accepted the first two. I just check your notes. You receive notes. You can PV me. Okay, what is Morani KG saying? Is it about that formula?
Yes, it was about that formula.
Okay. There are two of them now. There are two of them for greater than 1 and less than 1, right? We have for when n is greater than 1 and when n is less than 1. The formulas are not the same. Okay, I would have specified that. But I just felt like it's something everybody knew. Let's solve.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Ola, where are you? I accepted your request. It didn't come up.
Okay, our first term is first of all, we need to know a problem.
We need to know what?
Hello?
Huh? You said we need to know what? Mr. Stanley, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. My network
Okay. You said we need to know what?
is jumping. Are we together?
Yeah, go on.
Hello, madam.
I can hear you. We can hear you. Mr.
Okay, I
Stanley.
say the first thing is that we need to know the progression. The progression we're dealing with.
Okay.
So we'll clearly see that we're dealing with a geometric progression since 9 over 27 is the same like 3 over 9, which is equal to 1 over 3.
Okay. That's the value for R, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Good. So we already have our R, and A is 27.
Yes, the first term is 27. Okay.
Yeah, the formula for the nth term of a GP is UN equal to AR or n minus 1.
UN is equals to AR to the power of n minus 1, right?
Yes, then we just replace.
Okay, so this becomes UN is equal to A, which is 27, times R, which is 1 over 3, right? To the power of n minus 1. Oh, that's all now, Abby? Or we still simplify this? That's all right. So the answer is already there. Sorry, this one I think was from the old question. I didn't see the options. So the option is option A. The answer is option A, right? All my guests have logged out. That's all. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. So, guys, hope you understand this. This is, you see, this kind of question is another 10 seconds question that you just solve and get your answer. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Please, guys, keep tapping on your screen. If this is your first time, please. If this is your first time, please don't give me a follow. For those that want to take a screenshot, please take so that I can clean the board and move on to the next one. Now that I have a larger audience, maybe I should ask, what do you guys suggest we should do later in the night? We do later in the night. What do you guys suggest we should do for the night session? So the next one, find the sum of the 20 terms in an AP whose first term is 7 and last term is 117. Alright guys, let's do this. Coordinate geometry. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. You can't see my influence in this case. See? Simultaneous equation. Okay, I'll look into it. Okay, option B. Okay. I want a lady to come and help us solve this. Any lady in the house. I want a lady to help us with the solution to this. If any lady is interested, should please indicate in the comment section. The lady should please help us with this. Any lady? Benny, are you a lady? Are you a she? Benny, are you a she? Okay. So let me see, it's coming up. Okay, Benny. Benny wants to help us. Benny, did you send an invite? Benny Ado. Okay. Benny, I've sent you an invite, so accept it. Aisha, thank you for sharing the live. Benny, I've accepted your invite. I've sent you an invite. Please accept it. 1240. Okay. Option B, 1240. Okay. I'm waiting for Benny to come up. Oh, Benny, you've not accepted your invite. Any other lady that would want to come up to solve this? Any other lady? I'm giving out this question to a lady because it's very simple, oh, and nobody is showing interest. Any other lady that is interested should come up. The first sum of find the sum of the 20 terms in an AP whose first term is this and the last term is 117. They are shy. They are shy to come and solve maths, but they are not shy to be dancing on TikTok, right? They should come up, Joe. I beg, the lady should come up. We are the ones coming to TikTok and sing. So let's come up and also solve maths. What is this? There's nobody shy. Ladies, come up. That's why I'm emphasizing on the ladies. Ladies should come up. I have some ladies there. I can see them. And I don't want to come up. Moreni Keji, come. Moreni Keji, where are you? I'll call their names. Where is this girl? There's this girl, Marcus girl. She's always around. Today she's not here. Moreni Keji, come up. Oh. Moreni Keji is always contributing in the comment section, but she doesn't like coming up. Zarati, you two, you're a lady, come up. Let's show these guys that we can do this thing. Ibuko Oluwa, I can see you. Any baby, you are there. See the ladies, I can see your pictures. We use these styles. Please come up. Let's come up. Market girl is not around today. She usually comes up. Yes, Moreni, can you just give it a try? Just give it a try. Just a try. Let's prove these guys wrong. That we can also solve maths. These guys always feel like, Now my Oga give me roses this morning. Oga, listen. Apart from the prayers where you drop this morning for group, you still can't dash me roses this morning. My hands are up, sir. My 2 knees are on the floor. Thank you so much. Guys, please let me thank Instructor Allison. And please let's give him a follow. My Oga, thank you so much. God will bless you. This morning you bless me with prayer. Can't come my life, you bless me with roses. I'm gonna you try pass. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Malga. Thank you. God bless you. JK, good morning, you're welcome. Okay, listen, I'm in the same group with him. He dropped a very strong prayer for us this morning as we started. Thank you, Mr. Alice. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you. You know, when you have good people around you, your day always starts good. In fact, as I just joined my life, I've not even written anything on the board. I had 3 gifters already. I said, Galis's prayer is working already, because he dropped prayer for us today in the group. It's good to have good people around you, prayerful people around you. Be it Muslims, be it irrespective of your religion. Just have good people around you that will pray for you and just say, God bless you. It will go a long way. So, since no lady, now go. I teach chemistry, physics, and maths. No lady is coming up. They are following my hand. But if I say I'm going to dash data now, you see they want to come up. It's only when I say I'm going to dash data they want to move. And I'm not giving anybody data. Everybody should come up. I'm the one that's supposed to collect data for coming to teach life. Okay, somebody is proving that. Somebody wants to prove what? Mutsinat. Thank you. Mutsinat wants to come up and help us with this question. Mutsinat, did you send an invite? Send. Mutsinat, send. Though I'm looking for your name here so I can send you. Mutsinat, you can join. Mutsinat, can't see it. Papi Happy, I can see your... Okay, Mutsinat, I've seen her. Guys, please, let's encourage Musina. She's the lady that is coming. She has decided to come up. Please, let's encourage her. Let's clap for her in the comment section. It's not easy. Let's clap for her. Mr. Stanley, you see that issue of bank details, ba? I don't know. There was a time I tried putting it here to pin it and TikTok flagged it. So I'm being very careful. Let me not go and lose my page due to restrictions, you understand? So that's why I don't do that. Hey, Pink Love, the girls are now coming up. Wow, the girls are now coming up. Mutsinat, right? Did I call your name well?
Tessimot.
Okay, Tessimot. Okay.
Yes, ma.
Good morning, ma. Good morning. How are you? Thank you. Thank you for the courage. I love the courage. Yeah, let's start. But before we begin,
the formula for finding
have you solved it? Have you tried it? Or you
yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's the final answer you got?
It was 240.
Okay, all right. Okay, help us with this. Now, tutor, I'll just be writing for you on the board. Okay, go on.
The formula for finding the addition of AP is S equals to
Yes, go on.
N over 2. N over 2.
Yes.
Into bracket A plus L.
A plus
L.
L.
Our N is the number of terms, A is the first term, and L is the last term.
Okay. Alright, go on.
So, substituting our value, we are going to have S20 equals to 20 over 2.
Okay.
Into bracket 7 plus 117.
Okay.
Then adding 7 with 117, we are going to have 124.
Okay.
Then 2 divided by 20 is giving us 10.
20
and then
divided
we
by 2.
multiply.
20 divided by 2, right?
So our final answer is 1240.
1240. So which is, this is actually the final answer. So let me not call your name the wrong way again. I'm only calling what I can see on the screen. Thank you. Tessimot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Tessimot. Thank you. Thank you for coming up. Thank you for the courage and showing the guys here that the ladies can also do it. So thank you. We are grateful. All right, guys. Let's encourage her in the comment section. So to all my audience out there, is she correct? Is her formula correct? Is this formula, does it exist? Is it acceptable? Is her solution correct? Please let's know in the comment section. Somebody said that answer is by luck. Answer is not by luck now. She solved it and she got it correctly. How is it by luck? She solved it. She did not do guesswork. It's not guesswork, right? So she got it right. So Tessimot, well done. Okay, Marinke, you say you don't understand AP and GP. AP and GP is easy. Just know the formulas. I think AP and GP is just about formulas. Once you know the right, just read the question, interpret it well. After interpreting, then just look at it. From the interpretation, it will guide you for you to know the right formula to use. I think if you check through my page, there was a day I jotted all the formulas under AP and GP. Though this morning I jotted the one for tree. Everything you need to know under tree, I jotted it. All the special angles, what do they call those things? All the functions, everything you need to know on that tree. I had to put them in form of images. They're in form of images, so just check. You see it on my page. So maybe I will do that for AP and GP too. In my free time, I'll try and do that. Now formula, see? It's just formula. It's not difficult. Okay, this boy said the formula is right, but we can also get the common difference using Sn is equal to. That's the beauty of maths. You can use different methods. But can you see that this method is short and straightforward? There's no need finding the common difference. Then there's no need doing that now. You know it's jam. You have to be very fast. Okay, sir. I've left the board. Sad girl. I've left the board. Oh, sad girl. I've left the board. Guys, keep tapping on your screen so we get 50K before the end of this life. Why is it that other tutors will be teaching and in 1 hour they already have almost 100K and me I'll be begging for 50K for 3 to 4 hours that I'll be teaching? It's not fair. You guys should help me tap on my screen. You know, the likes attract more viewers to the page. And that's what keeps the tutors going. The more you see audience, it keeps you going. That's the ginger. So let's go to another question. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. Let me see, what's the next question? So let me put a question. So if you understand what we have done here, can you type understood? Let's go to the next one. So I need to be taking note of all the topics we have done. I don't want to repeat any topic. No other method. Please, can I use another method? But you can get it without using the formula. Okay, Ola, how can we use it? How can we get it without the formula? I want to just note out the topics we have done so far in this life. We have done indices, right? We have done indices. So those that have been consistent with me. We have done indices. Please, what else have we done? We have done matrices and determinants. What else have we done? Thank you for the follow, sir. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen and give me a follow if this is your first time. Please, those that have been consistent with this life. We have done trigonometry. Yes, we have done trig. I don't want to repeat any topic we have done. So I want to take note of the topics. Please, which other one have I done? Then I will assume that as for today, I've done AP and GP. I will not repeat. I don't want to repeat any topic. I think the first 3 to 4 days, I was just speaking random questions. No, actually, we didn't really do word problem. But what we did was just under different topics. Like under trig, we had problems, word problems that were under trig. You know what problem comes across almost all the topics. Sorry, it's my network, I beg. Okay, guys, keep tapping so others will be aware that I'm back. My network just froze. It did not freeze itself. Now my data off. The battery was down. I didn't even know. I hope you can see the board. Let's continue. Okay, Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. Do we have the answer? If you have the answer, please drop it in the comments. Drop your answer in the comments. Sn is the sum of the first n terms of a series. Given that Sn is equals to n squared minus 1, find the nth term. So what we're looking for is the nth term. Who is going to help us? So who wants to come up and help us with this? Who wants to come up to help us with the solution, please? If you are interested, if you want to help us with the solution, can you let me know in the comments? Can you let me know in the comments if you want to help us with the solution? Sn is the sum of the first term. Who is coming up? You guys cannot hear me. Hey, it's network. Oh. I think it's the network. Oh. What about my voice? Guys, can you hear my voice, please? Can you hear my voice? What about my voice now? Okay. Okay, Pink Love, you can hear me on YouTube, right? Okay, I think the issue is from here. What I'll do is I will log out, then log in back immediately. I will log out and log in immediately. Okay, I'll be back now. I mute. No, I didn't touch anything. No, I didn't touch anything. How do you mute microphone? No, mute microphone is on, is off. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I just turned on mute microphone, which was not even muted before now. No, I'm not muted. I'm not muted. think let me just log out and log in. Guys, please let's keep solving. If you have your answer, drop your answer in the comments, please. Guys, please let's keep tapping so more audience will know I'm back to the live session. Please let's keep tapping. Please, for those that are live, that are online now, please let's keep tapping. Guys, keep tapping so we can have more audience. If you have your answer, please can you drop your answer in the comments.
I'm proud of the man that become.
Isalamin, thank you. Good morning. May God make it easy for us. Thank you, amen. Stanley, please, can you hear me now? Daddy, can you hear me now, please?
Won't you make me strong?
Zaria, thank you. Work is fine. Okay, thank you. I don't know what happened the other time. Okay. Thank you, Prince Alamin. To all my gifters, thank you. Okay, now I'm back. Let's continue. Okay, Pink Love, you have D. I don't know what went wrong, oh. Nobody could hear me again, and I did not press anything. I don't know what went wrong. So let's continue. So he's going to help us with the solution to this. But before then, to come up, please let me know in the comment section so I will accept your invite. No, it was not muted. I know what it means to be muted, so it was not. I think it's just the network. The network was unstable, but it was not muted. Okay, Pink Love, you want to come up? Okay, send an invite.
I'm proud of the man I've become. You can't have what is my own. Money must have.
Pink Love, you're welcome. How are you?
Hello.
Good morning. How do you do? Hope you're good. You're welcome. Thank you for summing up the courage to come up, even as a lady. Even though I know some ladies don't want to come up. So well done. Thank you. Okay, so before you begin, what's the final answer you have? Which of the option is your answer?
D.
Option what? D? 2 minus 1.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right, so help us. You are the tutor now. I'm just here to write for you on the board.
Okay. I use my.
Pink Love, go on. I can hear you. Are you there?
Okay, yes, my network.
Okay, go on.
I used. Okay.
Okay, Pink Love, maybe you try out another question, right? Later, since you're having network issues, right? Wants to come up. Maybe when Pink Love network gets stable. Since our network is unstable, I'm located in Kaduna State, Nigeria. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Pink Love, how far? Who wants to come up? Who wants to help us with this? Chiboy, thank you for the follow. Who wants to help us with this? Roy B, Stanley, how far? You guys should come up now. Sarah, I'm not saying anything today. What happened? Pink Love, how far? Have you rectified your network? Yes, so it's coming up. Or should I solve it? Nobody wants to come up. Nobody is willing to come up. Should I solve it? Roy B, Stylist, come out and solve. Ola, come and solve for us this question. Ola, you have not solved question in a very long time. Come and solve it. I've sent you an invite. The final answer is 2n minus 1. That's what most of you got, right? Before now. Olaya, help us with this. Yeah, sorry, we can hear you. Hola, we can hear you. Go on.
All of my dark days are gone. But won't you remake me strong? I'm proud of the man I've become.
Pink Love, you are back. Are you ready now to explain to us? Hola, what's up? You are muted.
You can't have what is my own. Only most savage I know.
Mr. Sally, are you ready?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
I thought Ola was.
Yeah, but he's muted. He's not responding. Maybe it's his network. He's giving me a signal that his network is down.
Okay.
Mr. Sally, what do you have as? Okay, what do you have? D. Okay. Okay, help us with the solution.
Okay, we have the formula Tn equals Sn minus Sn minus 1.
Ts equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is the formula we're going to use to solve this problem, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So from there we already have Sn, so we need Sn minus 1.
Ola, we can't hear you. We can't hear you, Ola. Okay, so already we have Sn, which is n squared minus 1. What we need to find out is the value for Sn minus 1, right?
Exactly.
So Sn minus 1.
So anyway, we see n squared, we replace n minus 1 squared.
Okay, so anywhere we see n, we replace it at n minus 1. So this becomes square minus 1, right?
Exactly.
Okay, should we expand this?
Yes, we expand. When we expand, we have n squared plus, we have n squared minus 2n plus 1.
Okay, so when we expand n minus 1 square, we are going to have n squared minus 2n, right? Plus 1
Plus 1.
minus 1. So this cancels out. So this becomes n squared minus 2n, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So
therefore,
so we
therefore
substitute.
Tn equal to.
So Tn will be equal to what? Sn.
Yeah, we replace.
That is n squared minus 1 minus. So I think we have to let audience know that students used to make mistakes when it comes to this minus. Because after this minus,
Exactly.
it's advisable to put whatever value you have in a bracket. Because the negative sign here will affect everything here on the right hand side. So Sn minus 1 is n squared minus 2n. So we don't work with this directly. This will not become Sn minus 1 minus n squared minus 2n. This is wrong. If you use this, you won't get the answer. So this is going to be n squared minus 1 minus n squared. Minus and minus will give us a plus. Then plus 2n, right?
Exactly.
So this becomes Cn is equal
to
to
n squared goes up.
So n squared cancels n squared, right? So we're going to be left with 2n
Yes.
minus 1. This is so simple, easy, straightforward, short.
1 minus r power 3.
1 minus r to the power of 3.
1 minus r power 3
Over 1 minus
divided
r.
by 1 minus r
Okay.
equal to equal to half into
Yes, go on, Mr. Stanley.
hello.
Yes, go on, we can hear you.
Okay. A over 1 minus r.
Okay.
Half into a over 1 minus r.
Okay. 1 over 2, open brackets. Now we are substituting for this here, for s infinity, a over 1 minus r. Alright? Yes, go on.
So, by observation,
Yes.
a and a will cancel. Divide both sides by a. 1 minus r also cancel.
Please hold on. He said a and a will be cancelled. Where and where?
Yeah, dividing both sides by a now, you cancel.
So we should divide both sides by a. That's what you're trying to say.
Yes.
Okay. So doing that, let me break this down for the audience. So this is equal to open bracket 1 minus half to the power of 3. Because you might be wondering why Is A cancelling this way. So this line here is division, right? This is a fraction here, all over A. So this can be written as times 1 over A, right? This division line will turn to times, it will be 1 over A. So we are equating it to the right hand side, which is 1 over 2, open bracket, A over 1 minus R. This division turns to multiplication, so this becomes 1 over A. I'm doing this so that the audience will understand why the A's are cancelling out. So now, this A, we cancel the A here. A cancels A here, right? And Mr. Stanley? Mr. Stanley, are you there? I think his network. So we're going to be left with 1 minus R to the power of 3 over 1 minus R is equal to 1 over 2.
Is that okay?
Open bracket 1 minus R, right?
Oh, my network is disturbing. Are you getting me, madam?
Yeah, I think it's your network, right? Okay, Mr. Stanley, can we go on?
Are we there?
Yes.
Yeah, we together.
We are together. Kindly go on.
My network is bad. Hello?
Yeah, Mr. Stanley, we can hear you. Go on.
I'm dead.
Yes, kindly go on. Okay, let me read comments. Okay, Pink Love say I don't understand. Don't worry. We'll explain now. Explain. I just want to hear from the audience first. No, I'll explain it. I'll explain it. Okay. Amlala. Okay. We should stylist. You said we should divide A over 1 minus R. Okay. It's easier that way, right? I mean, it's faster that way. Okay. We should divide by, where is it? We should divide both sides by A open brackets. I want to understand this. Okay. You mean from here we can divide this? Stanley, I want to understand what you mean. 1 minus R, okay. Let's just say we are at this point. 1 minus R to the power of 3 over 1 minus R is equal to 1 over 2 open bracket 1 minus R. What do we do at this point? Should we cross multiply?
Hello, my network is really bad.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, let's go on.
Yes, you cross multiply. That means send 1 minus R the other way.
Okay. So if I cross multiply now, this becomes 1 minus R to the power of 3 times 2. 1 minus R is equal to 1 minus R. So this is what I have. So we can divide both sides by 1 minus R. I think that's what Stylist was saying, right? Stylist was saying something like this, that we have divided by 1 minus R from here. But it's still fine. So this cancels out. We are left with 2 open bracket 1 minus R to the power of 3, right? Equal to 1. So Stanley, is this correct? Are you there? Okay, I think it's his network. 2 times 1 here gives us 2. Minus 2 times R to the power of 3 gives us 2R to the power of 3 equal to 1. So this becomes minus 2R. Well, let me do it this way. 2 minus 1. I mean, this 1 comes to the right hand side to become minus 1. I mean, to the left hand side. Here is a plus, it becomes minus. equal to minus 2r to the power of 2 gives us 2r to the power of 3. This is minus. It crosses to the right hand side and becomes a plus. 2 minus 1 is 1. So I have 1 is equal to 2r to the power of 3, right? So in this case, what do? I divide both sides by 2. Doing that, 2 cancels 2. I have r to the power of 3 is equal to 1 over 2. So in this case now, what can I do? Am I correct? Please, somebody should tell me in the comments. Am I correct up to this point? R to the power of 3.
You're correct. You're correct.
Okay. So in this case, what do I do? I'll take the cube root, right?
You take the cube root.
The cube root of both sides.
Exactly.
So the cube root will cancel the power of 3 here. So I have r is equal to cube root of 1 over 2. Cube root of 1 over 2. This cube root of 1 over 2 can also be written what? This is supposed to be cube root of 1 over 2. Please, guys, help me check. Audience, help me check. Is there any mistake I've made at this point? See what I'm having. I'm having r is equal to the cube root of 1 over 2. Cube root of 1 over 2. How can I also write this? There is no error, right? Okay. Cube root of 1 over 2 can also be written as what? Can I also write this as the cube root 1 over cube root of 2? Mr. Stanley, how can I write this? Can I also write cube root of 1 over 2 as the cube root? Can I also write this as 1 over cube root of 2? Okay, good. So this is equal to 1 over the cube root of 2. So that is the final answer. Yes, because cube root of 1 is 1. Okay, thank you. Yes. So guys, this is so easy. It's just that my handwriting is big, so it's making it look as if the solution is so much or too lengthy. And it's even because at this point, there's a point where we are just supposed to, there's a point where we would have just divided by that 1 minus r. Since you see that would have not been as long as this step. When we got to this point here, we would have just divided by, as a cancelled a, would have divided by 1 minus r, yes. This 1 minus r will be divided here. We have done it here, we still have the same answer. No, Mr. Stanley, thank you so much. You understand? The network can be like that sometimes. Okay. So if you understand up to this point, can you type understood? Let's solve the last question for today. So I don't want to stay any longer because I have other activities I want to go and attend to. Or let me even stop here. I'm even having sore throat today. I'm just trying to talk and talk. So at night, for the night session at 9 p.m., what do you guys suggest we do? Should I solve more questions on this? Because I still have more questions. I still have more questions under AP and GP. And once I'm done for today, I will not go to AP and GP. Should I continue with the AP and GP later at night? Should I continue with the AP and GP? Oh yeah, let's suggest. I still have more questions on AP and GP and I'm not done yet. Okay. In that case, in the night, let's finish the AP and GP. After today, I will not go back to AP and GP again. So at night, 9 p.m. West African time, kindly join me here. We'll continue with AP and GP. Guys, I'm on 7.7k likes. And I always go with a round figure. Please take me to 10k likes. Please take me to 10k likes. Then we'll continue later in the night, okay? Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Please, let's go to 10k likes. Please, if you are sending me message, please, if you are sending me message, don't send me hello or hi or salam. Please back your message up with the content, because I have a whole lot of messages, so I don't, seriously, I cannot reply to hello or hi. I don't reply to those messages. I reply to the one that has content. If what you're asking for is what I have, I will let you know. Okay, in the night we'll decide on what we'll do tomorrow. That's how we do it actually. After every session, we'll decide on what we'll do next. Guys, we're almost at 10K. Thank you. Sabrina, this is Mass. Please give me a follow. Are you using Backhouse? What is the meaning of Backhouse? Anonymous, I don't understand your statement. Anonymous, please, what do you mean by Backhouse? Alright guys, thank you for taking me to 10K likes. So we're going to continue at 9 p.m. God's willing, okay? All things being equal. If there is, I just pray, I just hope there will be lights. If there's no lights, anytime, I know sometimes, no, it's a textbook. Backhouse. No, I don't know the book. Anonymous, where are you chatting from? I don't know the book you're talking about. Backhouse. What's the name of the author? Backhouse. Check for it. Anonymous, where are you chatting from? Your location will make me know the kind of the book you're talking about. I don't think I need math because I'm going for an engineering course. Okay now. Okay. In this century now, we don't need math for engineering. Somebody just said that. Backhouse 1 and BH2. Backhouse, where are you chatting from? Where is your location? Your location will make me know the kind of book you're talking about. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. To all my audience on YouTube, see you guys at 9 p.m. between 9 to 10 p.m. Uganda. Oh, I'm not streaming from Uganda. I'm streaming from Nigeria. Maybe that's why I'm not familiar with the book. I think that's why I'm not familiar with the book. Guys, please, let's keep tapping. No, I don't do English. I don't do English class. I do not do English. I am not a tutor of English. I don't even know how to speak English very well. So how can I teach what I cannot speak? Alright guys, I'll be going off now. I want to, so I can shoot my videos to post on my page. Maths is compulsory for engineering, no. Like you can't even do engineering. You can't do engineering without maths. It's not like it's not possible in this Nigeria. Please ask for the correct jam combination so you don't make mistake. All right, guys, I want to go off now. Sabrina, thank you for the follow. Thank you. All right, guys, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys. It's night. Later in the night. Bye, everyone.